Hello, everyone. Today we will discuss an important behavioral interview question. Explain your process for tracking project progress and handling delays. For this type of question, you can use the STAR technique because the interviewer wants to understand your real process, your ownership, and how you manage delays in practical situations. One good sample answer can be: in my previous role at Amazon Prime, I was responsible for tracking progress across multiple backend services that were part of a high impact release. My process started with breaking large deliverables into smaller, measurable tasks. I made sure each task had clear ownership, realistic timelines, and well defined acceptance criteria. To maintain visibility, I used sprint dashboards, burn down charts, daily stand ups, and weekly milestone reviews. This helped me understand what was on track, what was blocked, and what needed immediate attention. I also believe that delays should be identified early, not at the last moment. So during every sprint, I regularly reviewed dependencies, testing progress, integration timelines, and open risks. If I noticed any slippage, I updated the tracker, communicated the risk to stakeholders, and worked with the team to create a recovery plan. For example, in one release, we noticed that a critical integration was getting delayed because we were dependent on another team's API changes. Instead of waiting, I immediately flagged the risk in our project tracker and discussed it during the milestone review. Then, I collaborated with both teams to identify what could still be delivered without compromising quality. We adjusted the scope, prioritized the most important functionality, and moved the remaining lower priority work to the next release. At the same time, I reallocated some team effort to complete independent tasks in parallel so that the overall delivery was not completely blocked. As a result, we were able to deliver a partial but functional release on time. More importantly, stakeholders had full visibility, there were no last minute surprises, and the team maintained confidence in the delivery plan. So, my overall approach is to keep progress transparent, track measurable milestones, identify risks early, communicate clearly, and handle delays by focusing on business impact, priority, and practical recovery actions. If you found this answer helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more behavioral interview questions and sample answers.